Took like 10 minutes to cook those. Yeah. I don't like these things, but it's still edible. Chicken nuggets. They're big chicken nuggets too. Yay. You don't get any chicken nuggets. Get down, mister. You want my chicken nuggets, huh? You know what? Come here. Sit. Come here. Sit. Up. Come on. Up. Gentle. Okay, since you don't want to do anything too much right now. That's okay. Chicken nuggets. They're hot. Hey, cut it out. Quit fighting, you two. Quit it. Daisy, quit growling at Lucifer. Hey. Calm down. I hate shaking ketchup bottles, but I kind of have to. Doing this all one-handed is fun. Ketchup bottles farting. Ketchup. Dinner. Yay. This was just more or less for when the live stream I watched. Picking up book.